Mastering prepositional phrases in English. Article omission made easy. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive deep into a fascinating aspect of the English language, prepositional phrases, specifically focusing on how we often omit articles in these phrases. If you've ever wondered why we say, at school, instead of, at the school, this video is for you. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and is followed by a noun or pronoun. This noun or pronoun is called the object of the preposition. Some common prepositions include in, on, at, around, above, near, under, and through. For example, in the sentence, I am sitting at the table, is a prepositional phrase. In many fixed expressions or prepositional phrases, we often omit the definite article, the. This usually occurs in expressions related to time, places, transportation, and meals. 1. Time. We drop the when referring to times of day, night, and other parts of the day. For example, in morning, not in the morning. 2. Places. The is dropped when referring to places such as work, home, school, college, hospital, prison, bed, church, etc., when we talk about them for their primary purpose. For example, at school, not at the school. 3. Transportation. We don't use the when talking about travel by taxi, bus, car, plane, bicycle, etc. For example, by car, not by the car. 4. Meals. No article is used before names of meals unless it's followed by an adjective or modifying clause. For example, at dinner, not at the dinner. Like all languages, English has its exceptions. There are times when you might include the article in a prepositional phrase, typically when we want to specify which one or when the noun is followed by a modifying clause. For example, I was at the school, specifying which school, where my mother teaches. Remember, mastering prepositional phrases and understanding when to omit articles can greatly improve your fluency and naturalness in English. It might feel tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Keep practicing and you'll get there. Hope you found this video helpful, and as always, keep exploring and enjoying the English language.